Hey, everyone, welcome back to Top Tech World. Today, we've got something exciting for all you tech-savvy drivers out there, the top 5 best 4K dashcams of 2023. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast or just want that extra layer of security on your daily commute, these dashcams are here to capture every moment in stunning detail. Let's dive in. You can buy these headsets from the links that are given in the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our gaming gear reviews. Alright, let's get into it. Number 5. NEXSPACE 622GW. The NEXSPACE 622GW to stand out in the world of dashcams, offering a comprehensive set of features for drivers seeking top-notch performance. Boasting 4K resolution, the camera captures incredibly detailed footage, ensuring clarity in all driving scenarios. The enhanced night vision capability goes beyond the ordinary, delivering clear and sharp images even in low light conditions. One notable feature is the inclusion of a polarizing filter, effectively reducing glare and reflections on the windshield. This proves especially beneficial in bright sunlight or challenging weather conditions, contributing to an overall improved recording quality. The NEXSPACE 622GW doesn't just focus on video quality. It's also equipped with a host of safety features. The emergency SOS function, coupled with Alexa integration, enhances the safety net for drivers. In the event of an accident, the dashcam can automatically alert emergency services and provide crucial location data. The integration with Alexa adds convenience, allowing hands-free control and access to a range of voice-activated features. The sleek design of the NEXSPACE 622GW complements its advanced capabilities. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation and settings adjustment. Additionally, the device supports a range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer and manage recordings on the go. The NEXSPACE 622GW stands as a top-tier choice in the 4K dashcam market. Its exceptional video quality, advanced safety features, and user-friendly design make it a reliable and comprehensive solution for drivers prioritizing both performance and convenience. Number 4. VIOFO A129 Pro. The VIOFO A129 Pro impresses with its balance of affordability and high-quality performance in the world of 4K dashcams. This budget-friendly option doesn't compromise on features, offering a remarkable 4K resolution that captures crisp and detailed footage. The 140-degree field of view ensures a wide perspective of the road, covering essential details during your journeys. One notable aspect of the A129 Pro is its dual-channel recording capability, allowing for simultaneous front and rear-view recording. This is particularly beneficial for comprehensive coverage and added security. The buffered parking mode ensures that the camera records not only upon impact but also in the moments leading up to it, providing a more complete picture in parking incidents. The device's compact and discreet design is coupled with a user-friendly interface. The included LCD screen simplifies menu navigation and settings adjustment, making it accessible for users of all technical backgrounds. The build quality is sturdy and durable, designed to withstand the varying temperatures within a car. While lacking some of the advanced features of higher-priced models, the VIOFO A129 Pro stands out as a reliable and cost-effective choice for users seeking excellent video quality without breaking the bank. Its straightforward functionality, dual-channel recording, and reliable performance make it a commendable option for those prioritizing essential dashcam features on a budget. Number 3. Thincore U1000. The Thincore U1000 is a premium 4K dashcam that stands out for its exceptional performance and advanced features. The camera's 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures unparalleled clarity, capturing every detail on the road with stunning precision. With a wide 150-degree field of view, the U1000 provides comprehensive coverage, making it an ideal choice for users who prioritize a detailed and expansive perspective. One standout feature is the U1000's prowess in parking mode. Equipped with time-lapse and impact detection capabilities, it not only records incidents but also offers a buffered recording feature. This ensures that the events leading up to a collision or impact are captured, providing a more comprehensive view during parking incidents. Additionally, the Super Night Vision technology enhances low-light recording, delivering clear and detailed footage in challenging lighting conditions. The inclusion of a built-in GPS provides accurate location tracking and speed data, adding an extra layer of information to your recordings. The U1000's cloud connectivity is a notable feature, allowing users to remotely view and manage their dashcam footage through a smartphone app. This adds convenience and accessibility, especially for users who want to check in on their vehicle remotely. While the U1000 is priced at a premium, its robust set of features, including advanced parking mode, 4K resolution, and cloud connectivity, make it a top-tier option for users who demand the best in dashcam technology. The combination of cutting-edge features and reliable performance positions the U1000 as a leading choice for those seeking top-notch video quality and advanced functionalities in a dashcam. Number 2. Garmin KM66W. The Garmin Dashcam 66W is a compact and powerful addition to the world of dashcams, offering users a premium experience with its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Boasting a wide 180-degree field of view and 1440p resolution, this camera captures clear and detailed footage, ensuring a comprehensive perspective of the road. One of the standout features of the Dashcam 66W is its Clarity HDR technology, which enhances video quality by providing vibrant colors and sharp contrasts. This proves invaluable in various lighting conditions, allowing the camera to perform exceptionally well in both bright daylight and low light situations. The camera's Super HD recording capability ensures that critical details are captured with precision. The inclusion of voice control adds a layer of convenience to the user experience, allowing for hands-free operation and easy access to essential functions while driving. Additionally, advanced driver assistance features, such as lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, contribute to a safer driving experience. The compact design of the Garmin Dashcam 66W is paired with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to users of all technical backgrounds. The magnetic mount simplifies installation and removal, and the camera seamlessly integrates with the Garmin Drive app for easy footage management and sharing. The Garmin Dashcam 66W is a feature-rich and compact dashcam that delivers impressive video quality and a range of advanced functionalities. Its combination of wide field of view, HDR technology, and user-friendly design make it a top choice for users seeking a reliable and comprehensive solution for their dashcam needs. Number 1. Blackview DR900X+. The Blackview DR900X Plus stands as a pinnacle in the realm of 4K dashcams, offering an unparalleled blend of cutting-edge features and top-notch performance. With its impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution and a wide 162-degree field of view, this dashcam captures breathtakingly clear and expansive footage, ensuring that every detail on the road is meticulously recorded. One notable strength of the DR900X Plus is its exceptional low-light performance. Equipped with a Sony SLR sensor and night vision, it excels in capturing clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions, making it a reliable choice for day and night driving. The built-in GPS functionality adds an extra layer of information to your recordings, providing accurate location tracking and speed data. Additionally, the integration of Wi-Fi simplifies file transfers to your smartphone, allowing for convenient on-the-go management of your dashcam footage through the dedicated Blackview app. The design of the DR900X Plus is sleek and discreet, complemented by a durable build quality suitable for the varying temperatures within a vehicle. The over-the-cloud connectivity feature enables remote monitoring and management, providing users with added convenience and accessibility. While priced at a premium, the Blackview DR900X Plus justifies its cost with its advanced features, exceptional video quality, and user-friendly interface. For those seeking the pinnacle of dashcam technology, the DR900X Plus stands as a formidable choice, delivering on its promise of capturing the road with unmatched clarity and precision. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best 4K dashcams of 2023. Whether you prioritize resolution, advanced features, or budget friendliness, there's a dashcam on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which dashcam caught your eye. Drive safe out there, and until next time, safe driving.